Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, for the most part, prices are lower overnight. First of all, the dollar's higher and most commodities are lower. China's second quarter GDP data was lower than the first quarter, but not as low as some people had feared. In the grains overnight, we're down about 4 to 5 cents in November beans. The nearby market is unchanged. Corn's down anywhere from maybe 9 cents to 10 cents, and so is wheat. It is a weather market, and we come in today with, over the weekend, the only shower activity across the Midwest was in the northwest corner, Minnesota, parts of eastern South Dakota. The first part of this week should be warm and dry across most of the Midwest. May not be quite as hot as we would normally see given the moisture that's in the ground over most of the Midwest. Then a front moves in late this week and over the weekend with maybe 70% of the Midwest seeing anywhere from a quarter to an inch of rain, maybe a little bit more. That's followed up by another front, which is a little weaker early next week with 60% coverage of somewhere around a tenth to a little over a half, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain. On one side, this is not necessarily a bullish forecast because there is rain in the forecast. On the other side of the coin, there's not a lot of rain for a lot of places, so we'll have to see how the market handles that. You've got no beans at $12.50, you've got these corn at $5, and you got September wheat at about $6.70. So those prices probably are close to value, but if we have normal weather from here on out, we would expect that prices would continue to work lower. Weekly inspections numbers are not expected to be very high, except maybe in the wheat. And as far as crop conditions, we expect tonight the USDA to raise the corn conditions about 1 to 2 percentage points in the good to excellent category. And we could see 15% of the crop pollinated. That's down from about 36 normal, and last year we had over 60% of the crop pollinated. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.